collision.
Collision, emergency escape, ABD, somebody bring me ABD.
Nasa fire station ka?
ABD. And after quarter shift, and after this, machinery bullet damage. So,
Okay.
just to go to escape,
Emergency escape.
yeah.
Rescue, emergency escape.
Doon na lang sa ano.
This one here.
You must be open.
Yep.
Patay, no, need patay. No.
Ay na
Go.
kuan.
Ilan ba gas?
Gas.
Sila.
Okay, you can
Please remember, guys. What I showed before this.
how to, now everybody forget Now everybody forget again.
Date. Again. Demo.
Yeah. How to tie this one? Okay.
This.
If you're going to ayaw ng kutsinta. Okay. Try more. Do it again.
Hindi, yung kay Chipit, isang pasok yung kamay eh.
There is arm guide. Only one hand because your other hand is injured, so you need to use only one hand.
2 hands already.
Yeah.
I cannot. Don't remember.
Only you, Chip. Me, no remember.
Oh, only one hand.
Oo. Agad, titis na ka dyan. Higpit ka dyan, Mick.
It's not correct. Your choke. So
So one more time, huh?
one more time to
This one.
in case you are your one hand cannot use anymore, so yeah.
So something like that.
Yeah.
So, EBD.
EBD, okay. How to use EBD? Yes.
Take balloon and the count.
Yeah. Okay.
Huwag matagalin yung tag. Takalin yung sipit.
Hmm. So just only demonstration how to.
Gawa mo na sunod.
There is no procedure in the kwan.
Meron siya.
Okay, the procedure Just follow the procedure, then jump.
Take out helmet now.
Yeah.
Guy.
Patay.
No, not patay.
Buhay.
Not patay. Because now patay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, this only for 50 minutes, huh?
Yeah.
15 minutes.
Limited Just only for escape,
Oh, yes, only for escape.
not for a rescue. Not used for rescue, just only for rescue.
Possible also.
Rescue?
Ah, I think so.
Yeah.
But you know,
actually
but
possible.
you need to be very quick.
Yeah, not present very quick.
Yeah. Because only
So-
15 minutes, so
Possible, but better not.
yeah.
Better not use this one there, huh?
Yeah.
So,
I agree with you.
15 minutes breathing.
huh?
This is only for in emergency. If
No breathe. 1 minute.
this one you can normally use. You see this one in the engine room. Thomas in engine room.
So what we escape? We escape jet.
No, breath holding.
Or take-
Use breath
or
holding.
take better.
Si ano, Miss Man. Volunteer, bihira lang yun eh. Miss Man.
Where's man? Where's Miss Man? Come here, Miss
Winston.
Man. Winston, come here, special guy. Come here. You know, para malaman mo. Huwag kang maghiya-hiya dyan.
This is Firestone,
Oh.
no Freestone.
Para malaman mo kung ano yung ano dito nangyayari ba. Oh. Kasi tanungin ka ng ano ngayon, di wala ka maisagot. Oh, be. Oh, ikaw pa naman parating inano diyan, marating makikita dyan sa kusina. Oh.
Winston, go down. Patay.
Huh?
This man, he was in
This one make
the
exercise.
yeah. He was
Hello. What is this?
Apo sayap ko.
Higda. Example lang.
Because now is winter time in Europe.
And
South America.
this not help.
Ala.
You have this here, right?
No.
No.
That's why it's put there.
Okay.
You are here.
If you friend you have you normal, yeah? What is this? This is like you know this map.
Okay. Okay na. Okay, saka na.
Oh, ket na.
Ay, wala natin. Let's go.
Let's go.
Bye bye. See you next time.
So what?
Oh. Kabayan,
Hi, sir.
ano bang ginawa mo sa baba kabayan?
Exercise, kunting exercise, sir.
Exercise.
Yeah. Ba't hinihingal ka?
Hinihingal ka?
Sisiw lang yan di ba? No, sisiw lang yun
Sisi.
Da.
Ayos, sir.
Da.
Sisi.
Sisiw yun